Saan si Mayor? Manila. Dito sa Manila. Nandito ba si Mayor? Wala. Lumipad na doon sa Davao. Dito. After this, I have to meet President Estrada. Then I have to meet the Tiamson and the communists. They're having dinner tonight here. Pinagbibigyan ko. Okay na ba yung laso natin dyan? They will break bread with me. Sila lahat, mga komunista. They're going to Oslo. Look, itong kayong mga military, minsan kasi sila, I've heard that there are rumblings about, kasi natural enemy. Marami ring patay military. And I told them, but you know guys, I am a president. I am your commander-in-chief. Yes. That's a title for war. Unfortunately, I am not a wartime president. My main job, my main task is really to seek peace for my land. That's why inuna ko na yan sila. Even before I assumed office, nagkaintindihan na kami mag-usap. Then I went to Murad. Sabi niya, without the BBL, there will be war. Sabi ko, wag. Usap na lang tayo, hindi Nor. Problem is Nor, murang hinihigop na yung, isali na niya yung Abu Sayyaf, which I would like to tell the nation now. No. I will not talk peace with the Abu Sayyaf. Masyado every time you do that, it's like slapping the nation. Hinihiya mo kami. And you did it even during my time. And the last time I was just a child. Hindi naman milyonaryo yung... It's not even odious. I can describe that as despicable. It's really a despicable ideology. Pwede. So balikan ko yan. I will submit to any investigation, provided, why? I will ask them. It's provided in the Constitution. And if they come here, I have the laws, the penal laws, and the Constitution. And I would just tell them, find something here that is wrong where you can be charged. Because if it is not a criminal offense, then any other country cannot term it or cannot categorize it as a crime. I am a citizen of this republic. The crimes and felonies are in our books. If it does not say anything about my criminal liability, you cannot, kung sa inyo, conspiracy, whatever, inyo yan. Before international law, there is the Constitution, which is the bedrock. Kaya tayo, iba-iba ang salita natin. Hindi naman tayo magkapatid, putahe, lahat, even the idiosyncrasies. Yung iba, Moro, yung iba, Igorot. We do not talk. But we are bound by this one. You disregard the flag, the Constitution, there will be trouble. Yan, sabihin ko. Find me a fault there, if there is. Because you have to begin with the criminal laws of my land. Tsaka yung inyo, sauce for the gander is sauce for the goose. Kung lahat ng countries takot sa inyo, mga putang ina kayo, ay hindi ako takot sa inyo. You want it to answer, you answer also. We're on the same boat. Bakit kayo, who are you to threaten me? Nasabihin nila more, the standard and morals of the grade lowered us to a BBB borrowing potential then. I have talked to Xi Jinping. I'm going to China. I will open up all avenues of trade and commerce. They can come in. And kung wala pang panahon, because I could not amend the Constitution right now, then I can give them 60 years plus another 60 years. By that time, you won't need your factory here already. Bigyan ko 60 years, renewable for 60 years. Okay, bakit pa sila magbili ng lupa? Para na lang binili ng lupa. By that time, yung gonggong na presidente siguro, ipagbili niya ng lupa. Ayaw ko. Ayaw ko. It's not a matter of opening opportunities. It is not really a matter of to hinder investment. It's a matter of principle for me. That my land should only be for my people. I've been talking with Prime Minister Medvedev. Nag-one-on-one man kami doon. Wala nakaalam noon. And I said, nag-one-on-one. Matagal kami. Sabi ko na, I think I'm about to cross the Rubicon between me and the United States. At least for the 6 years. I would need your help in everything. Trade, commerce, and I will open up. Kaya lahat kayo yung lago ako dyan sa communications, even dito sa, I'm surprised because, alam mo, pinutol nila yung shipping Davao, Manila. Alam mo, ang mga taga-probinsya, pag nagpunta yan ng Manila, may mga relatives dito o mga anak nila nag-aral. Nagdadala talaga yan. Itlog, manok, pagkain. Ngayon, limitado lang sila isang upuan. Tapos may mga ano pa dyan na pinapalagad even if they suffer from disabilities. Kung gano'n kayo, not in my time. I'm calling all the airlines. That's your obligation. It is not really na magbayad ka pa ng wheelchair. Because when you open to the public and sell tickets, walang sinasabi niya kung ikaw ay walang paa o walang ulo o maakyat sa eroplano, magbayad ka pa. Wala. You provide everything or public convenience. Kailangan. You behave. I have 6 years to go. I'm only there for about 3 months plus. You will be sad. I will see to it that you will be sad. You go bankrupt, I do not care. I'm gonna invite China and Russia put up in your airliner. You observe, not even respect. You observe, not even courtesies. Lahat kayong malalaking negosyo, especially serving the public, observe humanity. Maraming salamat.